YouTube remains one of the most powerful platforms for content creators to build an audience, share expertise, and monetize their passion. However, with over 500 hours of video uploaded every minute, growing a YouTube channel can seem daunting. In 2024, the landscape is more competitive, but also full of new opportunities for creators to stand out. Here's a guide on how to grow your YouTube channel in 2024, leveraging the latest trends, tools, and best practices. 1. Identify and hone your niche. YouTube is home to millions of channels, so trying to appeal to everyone can dilute your content and message. Instead, focus on carving out a specific niche. Here's how to do it. Research trends. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube's own Explore section to find growing niches or underserved topics. Unique value proposition, UVP. What makes your content stand out? Whether it's your personality, expertise, or production style, you need to offer something viewers can't easily find elsewhere. Target audience. Define your ideal viewer age, interests, problems they want solved, and tailor your content to their needs. 2. Create high-quality, engaging content. YouTube's algorithm rewards videos that keep viewers engaged. Focus on creating valuable, high-quality videos that keep your audience watching longer. Hook viewers in the first 15 seconds. Start with a compelling hook. Whether it's an interesting question, a dramatic statement, or a preview of the most exciting part, you need to grab attention right away. Focus on storytelling. People love stories. Structure your content with a clear beginning, middle, and end, and use storytelling techniques to make it engaging. Shorter, more frequent videos. The rise of YouTube Shorts in 2024 means viewers are consuming more bite-sized content. Consider making short, impactful videos while still maintaining regular long-form uploads. 3. Optimize for SEO and algorithm performance. YouTube's algorithm is driven by how well your video performs in relation to the platform's key metrics. SEO optimization ensures your video is discoverable, while algorithm tweaks can help push your content to new audiences. Keyword research. Use SEO tools to identify keywords your target audience searches for. Place them strategically in your video title, description, and tags. Thumbnails and titles. Make your thumbnails clickable, with high-quality images, clear text, and contrasting colors. Your title should be optimized for search but also spark curiosity. CTR and watch time. YouTube's algorithm heavily favors videos with high click-through rates, CTR, and long watch times. Improve CTR by experimenting with thumbnails and titles, and boost watch time by creating engaging content that encourages viewers to stay till the end. 4. Leverage YouTube Shorts and trends. Short-form content is booming, and YouTube Shorts continues to be one of the fastest-growing formats on the platform. Shorts are displayed prominently on mobile devices and can help you reach a massive audience in a short amount of time. Create shorts regularly. YouTube favors channels that consistently upload shorts. This format is a great way to introduce people to your longer content. Follow viral trends. Keep an eye on trends in the Shorts ecosystem, such as viral challenges, sounds, or formats. Jumping on these trends early can help your content gain traction. Cross-promote with long-form content. Use your shorts to tease or highlight aspects of your longer videos, pushing interested viewers to check out your main content. 5. Engage with your community. Building a community is key to long-term growth. Engaged viewers will watch more of your videos, share them, and help spread the word about your channel. Reply to comments. Engage with viewers in your video comments, responding thoughtfully to build rapport. Encourage interaction. Ask viewers to like, comment, and subscribe, but also consider asking questions or hosting polls in your community tab to drive engagement. Collaborate with other creators. Collaboration is a powerful way to grow. By partnering with creators in your niche, you can tap into each other's audiences and provide value to both. 6. Monetize creatively. While YouTube ads are a primary source of revenue for many creators, diversifying income streams is essential for maximizing growth in 2024. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and services that are relevant to your audience and include affiliate links in your description. Channel memberships and Patreon offer exclusive content, early access, or other perks to your most dedicated fans by setting up memberships. 7. Consistency is key. In 2024, the algorithm still rewards consistency. Uploading videos on a regular schedule helps you maintain engagement and keeps your channel in viewers' recommendations. Create a posting schedule, determine how many videos you can realistically upload each week or month and stick to that schedule. Content calendar, use a content calendar to plan out your videos in advance, ensuring you're consistent and able to capitalize on seasonal or trending topics. 8. Promote your channel beyond YouTube. While YouTube is a powerful platform, promoting your videos outside of YouTube is crucial for growth in 2024. Leveraging other platforms can bring more visibility to your content. Social media, promote your videos on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. Short clips, teasers, or behind-the-scenes content can attract more viewers. Email lists, build an email list of your most loyal viewers. Send them updates on new videos or exclusive content. Collaborations and cross-promotions, work with other creators or even brands to tap into new audiences. 9. Analyze and adapt. In 2024, data-driven decisions are essential for channel growth. Pay attention to your YouTube analytics to understand what's working and what isn't. Analyze video performance, track metrics like watch time, CTR, audience retention, and traffic sources to see where you're succeeding or need improvement. A/B testing, experiment with different video formats, titles, or thumbnails to see what resonates most with your audience. Adapt to algorithm changes. YouTube's algorithm can change, and staying informed about these shifts will help you stay ahead. Follow industry news or use resources like YouTube's Creator Insider channel for updates. 10. Patience and persistence. Finally, growing a YouTube channel takes time. Success won't happen overnight, but if you're consistent, focused on delivering value, and willing to learn and adapt, you can achieve significant growth. This software is used by successful YouTubers to get their videos to rank very quickly on YouTube. For more information, visit the link in the description.